How to fix if there is a problem with the Windows installer package. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, search run. In search run, type temp TEMP. Click on enter or OK. Then in here you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Windows. In Windows you'll find temp. Click on it, right click on it and go to properties. After that you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on advanced or click on security. In security you'll find edit. Click on add and type in everyone. After you add everyone, simply click on OK. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Make sure there's tick mark in all permission for everyone. Click on apply, then click on OK and you're good to go. That's how to fix if there's a problem with this Windows installer package. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.